Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. We will start our chapter number 2, a new chapter that is computer memory and storage devices. Computer have we have memories, right? We used to recall everything and we know what had happened. Okay, then computer has such a device in it that it has also a memory and it can store many type of devices. Let us proceed to see what is given in this chapter. In this we will learn about the objective to learn is define the terms, data and information and list the units of measuring memory. So these two units objective we will cover in this video. First is data. A computer is an electronic device that works according to the given instruction, right? So computer is that device which we give the instruction to the computer and the computer accordingly give the output to us. Okay, and then the ability to accept data in the form of raw facts and figures such as number, character or other symbols. So what computer do, it has the ability that to give the in data and give accept that data in a raw form. Okay, in raw form and figure means like we have to give the we have give the for addition, subtraction, number, characteristic and other symbol it gives us the output to us. Okay, information, the data on its own has no meaning. Okay, the data that is no doubt that it gives us the information it gives us the output to us, but the data it's not have any value. Why? Because next is it becomes meaningful only after processing by a computer. If the computer is processed and it is kept the data, then it has certain meanings in it. Okay, and this processed data which is meaningful and useful is called information. This processed data is kept properly so that we can use it further, so it is called information. It has meaningful things in it. If we keep that data, the data is processed, data is finally kept in a or stored in the processing way that it has certain meaning, it is called information. Okay, so next we will understand the difference between data and information with the help of, okay, like like we can see that data and information, what is data and what is information we get to know, right? So now we will know that what is the difference between data and information, how it is certainly differentiate. So first is data. Number one is mark obtained by a student in 5 subject. Okay, and what about information? Percentage of marks calculated by dividing the total marks by 5. So in data, marks is obtained, marks is means how many one student have getting how many students in 5 subject, the data will be calculated. And what is information provided, it is the calculating of the that data means it is processed by the परसेंटेज से कैलकुलेट करने के बाद वो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, वो टोटल मार्क्स बाय 5, राइट. Then number 2 in data is price and product and quantity of a product. Price of a product and quantity of a product. It gives the prices and it gives the क्वांटिटी, हाँ कितना नंबर, हाउ मेनी आर देयर एंड देयर, और उसका प्राइस. ओके. And in information, total cost calculated by multiplying the price and quantity of the product. So total cost of that calculated means quantity and price. प्राइस का एंड क्वांटिटी का कैलकुलेट करने के बाद इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाई, ओके, द प्राइस एज वेल एज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. ओके. So this is the two difference between data and information. ठीक है. And the input devices are used to enter data in the computer. In last chapter that we have learned that input, process and output data, right? We put input and processes in the CPU, that is the brain of the computer, and it get output. So basically what is that? Input, what we put, that is data we put, and processing of data, and that it gives output, that is called information. Okay. Input को हम बोलते हैं data, then it will get process of data, and then the output जो result are, that is called information. A computer need memory to store data and instruction, okay, that are used during processing. Okay. Now next we will see units for measuring computer memories. There are units for measuring computer memories, right? It has certain measure, it has certain criteria to calculate. Okay. So जैसे हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर हैज सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया टू कैलकुलेट. ओके. देयर आर वेरियस यूनिट्स सच एज ग्राम एंड किलोग्राम फॉर मेजरिंग वेट एंड मीटर एंड किलोमीटर फॉर मेजरिंग डिस्टेंस, राइट? हम कैसे ग्राम और किलोग्राम मेजर करते हैं? वेट. क्या करते हैं? वेट. एंड मीटर किलोमीटर को क्या कैसे किससे मेजर होता है? डिस्टेंस के लिए कि मीटर किलोमीटर होता है. ओके. एंड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग कंप्यूटर मेमोरी ऑल्सो. ये सब मेजर करने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं जैसे वेट और डिस्टेंस के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर के लिए भी हम कुछ यूज़ करते हैं. हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरिंग computer memories. Okay. The computer is an electronic device that you know. Okay. So a computer only two states. What is that? On and off. On is represent 1 and off is represent 0. The language of zeros and ones understood by the computer is known as binary लैंग्वेज. ओके. सो जो ऑन एंड ऑफ है, दो स्टेट में कंप्यूटर कैलकुलेट होता है, ऑन एंड ऑफ. ओके. जो लैंग्वेज होता है ज़ीरोज़ एंड वंस अंडरस्टूड, क्या उसे बोलते हैं? बाइनरी लैंग्वेज फॉर दैट कंप्यूटर में उसको बोलते हैं बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. ओके. एंड डेटा स्टोरेज इन कंप्यूटर मेमोरीज इज द फॉर्म ऑफ ज़ीरोज़ एंड वंस इज कॉल्ड बाइट्स और बाइनरी डिजिट्स. ओके. सो जो ज़ीरो और ज़ीरोज़ एंड वंस है, उसे हम बाइनरी डिजिट्स बोलते हैं. ओके. जो वो कंप्यूटर समझ सकता है. एंड बिट इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट फॉर मेजरिंग कंप्यूटर मेजर. ओके. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ कंप्यूटर memory can also be expressed in term of bytes. We also tell us capacity is measured by the term is called bytes. A combination of 8 bytes make 1 byte. Okay. 8 bits को बोलेंगे, bytes को बोलेंगे हम 1 byte. Also there are other bigger units for measuring computer measures. Okay. Let us see. 1 byte equals to binary digit. Okay. And 8 byte equals to 1 byte, that is I told you. 124 bytes, that is 1 KB means kilobyte, and 124 KB equals to 1 MB, that is megabyte, and 124 MB equals to 1 GB, that is gigabyte. 124 GB equals to 1 TB, that is terabyte. 124 TB equals to 1 PB, that is petabyte. 124 PB equals to 1 EB, that is exabyte. 124 EB, that is equals to 1 ZB, that is zettabyte. And 124 ZB equals to 1 yottabyte. Okay, so this is the table of that list to calculate the units of measure to the relative with 1 unit. Okay, like in multiplication 2 plus 2 equals, in multiplication 2 into 2 equals to 4. Like that here 8 byte equals to 1. 8 bytes होगा तो 1 byte calculate होगा, and so on. Okay, so students, I hope you like this chapter. Read this chapter once to better understand. Okay, thank you everyone.